Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking level with the engine off and hatch open so you can work safely. Once done, lift the rear wiper arm gently until it holds away from the glass. Make sure not to snap the motor linkage. Identify the blade-to-arm connection. Most F-Pace models use a push tab or a small locking clip. You want tools and the replacement blade within reach, so pause briefly to lay them out and avoid fumbling during the removal step. You now remove the blade. Press the release tab while holding the arm steady, then slide the blade assembly downward out of the hook or unclip the pin. If you encounter resistance, stop and check the clip orientation. Forcing it risks bending the arm. Once free, rotate the old blade off the adapter if required, and compare the new blade's adapter to the old one so you know how they align. Make sure the arm, hook, and pivot are clean and undamaged. Attach the replacement blade by aligning its adapter with the arm and sliding or snapping it into place until you hear a clear click. This guarantees the locking mechanism engaged. Once fitted, lower the arm carefully onto the glass to avoid chipping. Make sure the blade sits flush. Finally, cycle the rear wiper and spray washer fluid to check for even contact and no streaking. If the blade skips, recheck the adapter fit and arm tension. Tighten or replace the arm.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.